In this video I'm gonna show you how to repair a Vaillant boiler that shows CON message on the display, and also how you deal with jobs that have this kind of surprises. Feeding loop behind the washing machine. There is no spare switch anywhere, not by the cylinder, anywhere. There's a feeding loop right there behind the washing machine. So all I can do is to turn it off at the fuse board. You have to disconnect the washing machine before you can get to the feeding loop. Oh, madness, madness. Who installed that feeding loop there, seriously? Since this repair requires opening the boiler up, you need to be gas safe registered to perform it. If you're not, do not attempt this repair. That's why I have to blur out the part I'm changing. But if you're gas safe registered, you'll know exactly which part I'm changing. And once you've changed that part, you will have to deal with an error code F70. F70, DNS missing. Let's go and figure it out. You need to go to my website, or Urban Plumbers blog, and you go to Vaillant Eco Tec F70 fault code. Plus minus D91, D97, I, go to 17. Oh, that's to enter installer mode, is 17. I for 5 seconds. D97. There's now going to go to 93. I. And device specific number. VUGB156. VUGB15635. It's number 1. So we go to number 1 and I for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. D93, and then we press those two together. Yep, done. The boiler should fire up now. So even for me it's confusing. I'll never remember all the sequence, so you have to have a cheat sheet. Let's see if it fires. Lovely, another boiler repaired.